Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can change or modify the inventory in Odoo. So let's get right into it. Now, to adjust the inventory, what you're going to want to do is, of course, you'll first need the inventory module installed. Pretty sure you already do if you're looking this tutorial up, but to change it, all you need to do is click on it. Now here, you can go into products, and here in products, you'll see all of the products that your inventory is pertinent to or that are relevant for your inventory, for example, or pretty much exclusively physical products. And here you can change and track all the quantities. So let's go, for example, on t-shirts, and I'll just click here to track inventory, and quantity on hand can be 15. Save it, and I'll go back and go into inventory again, go into products, and as you can see, t-shirt now says 15. If we click on it again, we can save it to, I don't know, 25, save it, and that is pretty much it. Now we can go back into the overview and back into the products, and as you can see, the t-shirt inventory amount has changed, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.